Hi guys, welcome back to Markisha Always, here with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do box braids. Okay, so the first thing I do is section out my rows. And while I'm sectioning out the rows, I make sure I grease the scalp really well. So here I'm gauging out the amount of hair that I'm gonna need for this braid. So I tend to use about, when I hold my hand flat, it's about an inch of hair. And then I take that hair and I break it into 1/4 of what I have. So here I interlock the hair to connect the two strands together. So on the ends of your hair, you want to pull one side of each piece of hair that you have so that you retain more length in your braids. The reason that I use the jam, I put it on the client's hair because it helps to seal the client's hair in with the extension. And at the end, when I'm cutting the flyaways away, I won't be cutting my client's hair. When I do box braids, I separate the roots into two to make sure that I get a great grip on the roots. Okay, so here I'm showing you where I ran out of hair on one of my strands. I have 2 long strands and 1 short strand. So I take a bit of hair out of each strand is what I'm showing you here. Oh guys, don't forget, I will be announcing the winner of last week's giveaway at the end of this video. Okay, so these are the flyaways that I was talking about. So we're just gonna go from side to side, just cutting the edges. Be sure to not cut the braid off. Okay, so here I'm dipping the braids in hot water. I do this to make sure that the braids don't unravel. All right, well now it's time to find out who the winner of last week's giveaway is. All right, so the winner is Angela Payne. Thank you so much for entering our giveaway, and I will be contacting you soon to give you your prize.